Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can download the early time tracking and task management application on your desktop computer. For example, if you'd like to use it alternately to the web version and track your activities and your team's activities. So let us guide you through this. Start by navigating to your account on the early app. And what you want to do, guys, is usually, it was at least for me the case, when you log in for the first time, you should see a notification here at the top, a banner or something like that, indicating that you haven't downloaded the desktop app. So you can do that by clicking into it. As you can see, I've already done that. But if that banner disappeared, you can navigate to the homepage of the early app as well, and then navigate to, let me show you where to find it. You will find it under the download section here. Then scroll down and select your device, which is Windows for me, for example. Wait for the download process to be finished and then start the installation file. Click into OK here. So let me go through the installation. Wait for the installation to be finished. So let's give it a second and I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright guys, so after the installation, log into your account here on early. You can do this, for example, via Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or traditionally with an email address and a password below. I'm going to use my Google account for that. Then give early the permission to log in with your account. Click into open here. And that should, as you can see, that should redirect you to your account here with your activities and the calendar and your tasks and your team. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.